Hi, this is Larry Rankin, EDOL 700, Assignment 1.2, Philosophical Orientation and Video Journal, with Dr. Jonathan Greenberg. After taking the assessments, I found that my top 5 values were respect, number 1, competence, integrity, ambition, and contribution to others. With looking at how this lines up with my own personal philosophy for leadership, I find that they blend together very well. Looking at the scores on the percentile range, I scored human as the highest, intellect came next, and pragmatic was the last. Human was the highest at the 60th percentile, along with intellect within the low 60th percentile, and then pragmatic came up at the end in the 50th percentile. What I found with this range of scores is that I am indeed a relationship builder. I look at the human value. I look at building relationships in order to increase effectiveness as a leader. And the first and the foremost thing that comes to mind is the idea of respect, which is my number 1 value. Looking at my military history and being raised Southern Baptist in a family where yes sir, no sir, yes ma'am, no ma'am were of the highest order, it taught me not only to respect myself, but to respect those around me, regardless of their age, regardless of their race, creed, origin, etc. I find that it's hard to build relationships that are solid and effective if the presence of respect is not paramount in your foundations that you build these relationships on. As such, it is my number 1. Competence. If you're not passionate about what it is that you do, you won't learn the job. Anything that's worth doing is worth knowing how to do well. So those 2 round out my top 2 values of the 5, and I seek to uncover additional ways to be more effective with looking at ambition and contribution to others.